Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting AutodeskMaya tutorial. This is Abhijit from rgbtutors.com, and in this video we are going to take a look at creating this Lowpoly environment from scratch. So these are the final renders that we will be trying to achieve. We will see all the steps from modeling, shading, rendering to final composite. So to make this video not so boring and long, I will upload in 4 different parts. 2 videos for the modeling, 1 for the shading and rendering, and in the last part we will see how to do the composition. Okay, so before you start with the video, please take a moment to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the upcoming tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Now we will model the Eiffel Tower base. To do that, just take a box primitive and scale it. Select faces and delete the bottom face, we don't need that. Select edges and select this bottom edge and extrude. Extrude it again. Once more, and I'll just close. I'll keep it right like this for now. Now select the object and shift and right click and select this option, insert edge loop tool. Take one edge at the top and one at the bottom and 3 edge at the middle. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now select faces and select this face loop. Okay, so do that and select the extrude option again. For the key face together, turn this option off, and for the offset, add a little offset like I'll keep 0.01, 0.1 maybe, yeah, 0.1, and then extrude it again and then add it 0.05 on the minus axis. Okay, now on the side view, go to vertex mode again and we'll have to adjust it now to give this U shape. Now we need C curve on this other side as well, so we'll adjust the vertex to do that. Okay, so we have the leg ready. We will just duplicate it over. So select the object and go to edit, duplicate spatial. Now you need to understand the axis. So this is our x axis. Okay, so we'll just duplicate it on the minus x. Yeah, now select both and go to edit, duplicate spatial. Now we will duplicate it on minus z axis, so reset again and add minus on the z. We have the base ready, so just take another box, make it bigger. Now select face and delete this upper face. Select the edge loop, this upper edge loop, and extrude it. Scale it inside. Shift right click and select the fill hole option. Okay, so now I will take another box and scale it again. I'll just speed things up because we have already seen how to do this. Same things like adding cards and extruding the face, just like before. So I'll just speed things up here. Once it's done, we'll just duplicate on other axis through edit duplicate spatial. Okay, now just duplicate this base, Ctrl D, select this object and press Ctrl D and bring it up. Then scale it down. Select this side object and Ctrl D to duplicate, then bring it upward. Position it on side view. Now we need to duplicate this object on other side. So edit duplicate spatial and we'll just duplicate this on other 4 sides. We should check from the top view as well for proper alignment. Okay, now we need to model the upper part. To do that, take another poly box and bring it upward. Make it thinner. Scale it up. Delete this face, upper face. Select the edge loop and extrude. So just press W and then bring it up like this. Then scale it inside. Now I'll just quickly adjust this vertex to give an arc shape. Then I'll just repeat the process like extruding the face. We'll have to add some offset like before. It's basically the same steps over and over again. So now we have the top ready. Now back to edge loop. Okay, select the upper edge loop, then extrude and scale it outward. Scale it outward and then extrude again. Bring it up. Extrude again and scale inside. Extrude, bring it up a little bit, or maybe like this, and scale it outward. Then extrude again. Extrude. I'll keep one edge here, so I'll extrude it here. Now I'll just fill this hole and now take a sphere, bring it up, reduce the polygon count here. So you can reduce that from the channel box editor. Select the object, go to channel box editor, open this option box and reduce the subdivision on the x-axis. So I'll just keep it to 10. or maybe 12. Okay, 12 block. Bring it down. Select this upper faces. Sorry. And do that from the side view. Select this upper face and delete. Now select this edge loop, extrude it a little bit, then extrude again, once more, and scale outward, extrude once more, up, once again, scale down, and then once again raise it upward. Can just now fill hole. Now we can't keep this like this, so I'll just connect these faces and select a multi-cut tool, select this edge and this one, hit enter. So now we have four-sided polygon. Take the vertex and bring it closer. So we are done with the first part of the video. In the next part we will create the tree model and the base, and in the upcoming videos we will see rendering and compositing of this scene. So that is it. I'll catch you on the next video.